In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are fine. And I think you all have guessed that we are starting our new lesson. Yes, my dear, it's our second lesson. And it's a poem. So today we will read this, okay? Let's move to page number 21. And there is a picture here. Now, would you like to tell me please what can you see in this picture? Yes, there are 3 children. There is one old man who is telling something to the children. And now look at the eyes of the children. Their eyes are open wide. It means they are listening something with great interest. And there are some toys on the floor and one teddy bear on the bed. It means the children have played with these toys. Now look outside the window. There is a moon and there are some stars. It shows that it's night time. Okay, it's mean the picture shows that the children are listening some kind of story. Okay, let's come to the poem, The Storyteller. You know, Storyteller is a poem which talks about the love children have for stories. And for what kind of stories? Which are narrated to them by their elders. Okay. Now, what is meant by storyteller? In fact, storyteller is a person who is telling a story. So, it can be anyone. Okay, who is storyteller? Storyteller is a person who tells some stories. Yes. Now, there are some words to know. Let's read that. Awe. First word is awe. Say it with me. Awe. Awe means mixed feeling of respect and fear brought about by authority, genius, or great beauty. In simply, my dear, you can say that the meaning of awe is wonder. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा हैरान. Next word, cuddled. Cuddled means hugged in the arms. गले लगना, बहुत पास पास होना. Third word is fables. Short stories, usually with a lesson or message. हिकायतें, छोटी छोटी कहानियाँ. And the fourth word is phantoms, ghosts, bhoot. And the last word is yore. It's mean time long past. A long time ago. बहुत पुराने ज़माने का, बहुत पहले की. Okay. Now, my dear students, this poem has 4 stanzas, 2 on page number 21 and the rest of 2 on page number 22. So, today we will read only 2 stanzas, okay? So, you will have to listen it attentively. Let's move to first stanza. What stories he told the children at the end of day, when tired of play, all bathed and well fed, they cuddled in bed. What stories he told them? So, what is the poet saying here? What stories he told the children? So, my dear, it's not a question. Okay? Even though the sentence is starting with what, but it's not a question. And why I'm saying this, it's not a question, because exclamation mark is used at the end of the sentence. So it's mean the poet is expressing his thought of wonder. He is saying in wonder, like we say sometimes now, what a beautiful flower is it? What a beautiful garden! What a beautiful scene! We say something like this, and sometimes. So that kind of sentence the poet has used here. What stories he told the children? He wants to say the storyteller was telling some good stories to the children. at the end of day. And when the storyteller was telling the stories, at the end of day, it's mean at night, when tired of play, the children have played, then they got tired, all bathed and well fed. It's mean the children had taken bath and also had taken his dinner. They cuddled in bed. And now the children are sleeping close to each other. They are hugging each other. What story is he told then? Again, exclamation mark is used here. So it's mean the poet wants to say this in wonder. He actually wants to say that the storyteller was telling good stories to the children. Now let's come to the translation. What stories he told the children? उसने बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी कहानियाँ सुनाई. At the end of day, दिन के आखिर में. When tired of play, जब बच्चे खेल के थक गए. All bathed and well fed. बच्चों ने नहा भी लिया था और अच्छे से खाना भी खा लिया था. They cuddled in bed. और अभी बच्चे बिस्तर में एक दूसरे के करीब लेटे हुए हैं. एक दूसरे के पास साथ साथ लेटे हुए हैं. What stories he told then? Exclamation mark. So it's mean the poet wants to say कि स्टोरी टेलर ने बहुत अच्छी कहानियाँ तब बच्चों को सुनाई. Is it clear? So next move to next stanza, the second one. What stories he told the children, their eyes open wide, with him by their side. They listened in awe to fables of yore. What stories he told them? Again, the poet wants to express his thought of wonder. He wants to tell us the storyteller was telling very good stories to the children. He was telling amazing stories because their eyes open wide, because the children's eyes are open. They are listening with keen interest. With him by their side, and the storyteller, the old man, was sitting beside them. And we have also seen this in this picture. The storyteller was sitting beside them. He was sitting on the chair. They listened in awe. Awe means wonder. The children are very surprised to listen the stories. They were listening with love. They want to listen more to fables of yore. And fable is a short story which has very good meaning. Okay, and yore mean a long time ago. So to fables of yore, the storyteller was telling them the stories of a long time ago, the stories of past. What stories he told then? Okay, now let's come to Urdu translation. What stories he told the children? उसने बच्चों को कितनी अच्छी कहानियाँ सुनाई. Their eyes open wide, कि बच्चों की आंखें पूरी की पूरी खुली हैं. With him by their side, और जो स्टोरी टेलर है वो उनके साइड पे बैठा हुआ है, उनके एक तरफ बैठा हुआ है. They listened in awe to fables of yore, कि बच्चों ने हैरानी से गुजरे हुए ज़माने की कहानियाँ सुनी, पुराने ज़माने की कहानियाँ सुनी. What stories he told then? उसने तब उनको कितनी अच्छी कहानियाँ सुनाई. So, my dear students, is it interesting? So, if it is interesting, so keep your interest up. We will read next of the two stanzas in the next lesson. In the next video. So, till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.